Walter. We're good.
No, I want to get a shot of your rig.
Oh, thank you. But look at that. No. Hey, it's Walter Van Dusen at Cine Gear Expo LA. We are at the Hollyland booth, wirelessly transmitting from the rolling interview stand to the Hollyland booth. We have the Forza 300B, which is very exciting for some people. On my rolling interview stand. This is the first booth. I'm just stopping by for a couple seconds just to show the wirelessly transferring from the show with a big boy. What kind of transmitter is this?
Syscom 421.
Syscom 421. 1,500 meter range or 1,800 meter range. So we are going to be live shooting throughout the next 2 days. You can stop by the Hollyland booth, but if you were here, you would see it. But that's why you should come to trade shows. So we are at Cine Gear Expo LA at the Paramount Studios, live broadcasting to the Hollyland booth so people can see how wonderful the
Booth is, how wonderful the Syscom 421S is.
Look at you with your video voice.
I do what I can.
You did it phenomenal. So I'm going to go tool around, but I just wanted to thank everybody at Hollyland. I've known them for a long time, and I hope that we can do more stuff together. Oh, we're doing a handshake. So I'll come by to do the official interview with you guys. 100%. If I want to.
What's that?
If I want to.
If you can, please.
100%.
Thanks, appreciate it.
Hey guys, how you doing? I'm Christian with Hollyland, and we've got Walter back with us. So I'm excited because one of our newer products here today is our Mars 4K. So this is our transmitter here, and so we can have the option for SDI, HDMI. We can power it via 12-volt, a hardline. We can do a Sony NPF battery, or we can USB-C it. The cool thing with this is that we can do one transmitter to 2 receivers, and we have our Mars M1 here. So this one's cool because it's part of the Mars family. So this can be one of your receivers because this monitor has a built-in transmitter receiver. So you can transmit from this or you can receive. And so all of these work together. You've got 1 to 2 functionality, and they're great because we've got 4K, we got decimal point frame rates, so you don't have to shoot at exactly 60 or exactly 24. You can have those decimal points. So the range for the Mars 4K is 450 feet. That is line of sight, but 450 feet. Again, 4K or 1080, but we have 4K on here. HDMI, SDI. The Mars M1 is also 450 feet of range, and those will all work together. And the last Mars product we have here today is our Mars 400S Pro, and this will do 400 feet of range, but it's only limited at 1080 for resolution. So we've got different options here, pretty much options to fit whatever your needs are. So thanks for joining us again. Thanks, Walter. We'll see you again soon.
Try to find a place that has direct sunlight.
What is that? We're gonna be in direct sunlight. There's no way I got shade of it.
And one thing we should do is what's the name?
Range of our transmitter.
Today, hi, my name is Randall. Today, we are talking about the Syscom 421 specifically with Walter, who is helping us out and showing it on a sweet cart that he's moving around. So we're actually here in front of the Film Tools booth because our booth has a separate transmission going to our Mars M1 at this point in time that we got some video running on too. So that's pretty cool. And we just wanted to join our buddies here at the Film Tools booth because they help us sell some of the Hollyland gear as well. And also this sweet mannequin that's got some of the Sonys on it, which is good too. Look at her. She looks great. She's got a lot of gear. It's good stuff. But yeah, we just wanted to show off our wireless transmission here with Hollyland Technologies. My name is Randall. This is Walter.
What are we using?
Right now we're using the Syscom 421S. That's a transmitter that's coming off the camera that you're looking at, going over to the Syscom 421S receiver. That has an HDMI into the Mars M1 that you're seeing some video of as well right now. So.
What are we using on
The headsets, this is the Solidcom C1 Pro noise cancellation editions compared to the originals. You also got a new mute button, and you can hold that to become push to talk if you're familiar with the original Solidcom C1s. If you're not, 1,100 feet of line of sight transmission on the 1.9 gigahertz that has really cool free speak, and you can add hubs to get interconnectivity and dual channels as well. So super fun.
Henry, give the camera to somebody in the booth and have them film you holding the Mars and the screen. I want them to see that we can talk to each other.
I might only have.
You're actually going to do something from my direction. So hand the camera to somebody in the booth.
I think Christian's the only other guy there, though. Are you busy? Yeah, I see. He's talking to somebody. Just hand Christian the camera and tell him to take a video of you holding the Mars M1.
Hold the Mars. No, this is we got like a.
It'll be nice. I think it'll be good. If you don't mind, just interrupt him. Just interrupt him quick. Be like, Christian, hold this and take a video of me. Tell him Randall told you, and just hold the Mars in front of it if you don't mind.
Show that we have good video.
Yep.
And we have phenomenal audio.
It's good stuff. I'm excited about
Very
it.
crowded space.
It is pretty crowded right now. It's crazy. I got the mannequins in my way. I got a whole bunch of truss.
We got some flying above us.
It's a whole thing. It's everybody's hanging out. A whole bunch of.
It'll be pretty cool video.
I'm excited about it. Actually, I'm very excited.
I'm very happy.
Yeah. And then too, man.
There's no Henry. Are you doing it yet?
I want, if we can, it'd be great to have Christian just like take video of you. If you can hand the camera to him and just tell him to point it at you, even as he's talking.
Holding the screen.
Yep, even as he's talking, and then you just hold the screen so we can see the video. Yeah, if you can do it too, but to be careful, obviously, or set the camera on the table and show yourself that way, kneeling down, or no?
Hand the camera to somebody in the booth and just say, point this at me for like a couple seconds.
Yeah, it can be a customer too, if you don't mind.
Just to demonstrate that we're doing this really cool video right now.
I can barely see him.
We can communicate on these cool headsets.
That's true. The headsets are great.
Yeah.
We're giving a ton of directions right now to Henry to get the best
we got
video
the headset
available.
on there, we got the camera going. Lots of going on here, Henry. I like to call you Henry instead of Terry, so let's stick with Henry.
Did he wear the glasses today?
I know, I should be wearing those glasses.
What happened to the glasses, Henry?
Yeah, Henry, we want to see the glasses. We love the glasses. So,
What you can tell me what the headsets are. What you have the microphone, so what are these headsets?
So this headset is a Cosmo C1 Pro, and I'm taking directions from Randall and Walter directly from the headset. Yeah, and this is the screen, and this is the 421S.
Oh, we get a little side profile of you. Nice belly. Loving the belly. All right, we'll be right back.
You are too ridiculous. Don't apologize. It's great. I was just watching the cart here. Wanted to make sure we were all golden still. I love it, man. Good stuff. Oh no. Okay. Well, just keep on that. I think we're more getting this over here, Henry. So, yeah. So you're good. So, just wanted to, again, show off that Solidcom 421S sending the video signal while giving directions on the Solidcom C1 Pro. Sorry, I said Solidcom. It's a Syscom 421 that you're looking at now. Syscom 421S. And we were giving directions back at the other booth with the Solidcom C1 Pros. Super cool. And a very busy, high frequency, everybody else in the expo show showing all their frequencies in the same bandwidth, working fine, working well. And that's always the fun of it, is that it's accountable, it's reliable, and it's modestly priced. Great stuff. Cool.
So this is
Walter and Randall at Cine Gear Expo LA on a bright sunny day at the Paramount Studios. I think we just did a really good live demonstration. This was not planned, and we made it happen. Henry's in the booth. Randall's right next to me. I heard everything when I went to go get my camera. We're recording on my rolling interview stand, which is going to be a little shaky footage, but hopefully it looks okay. And thank you very much, Randall, and we'll till next time.
Killer. Killing it. That's pretty good, right?